And online transaction processing. Transaction processing is the immediate automate represents to the request of users and designed to handle multiple concurrent transactions and plays a large role in electronic commerce applications. And online analytical processing is the use of graphical software tools that provide complex analysis of data stored in a database. OLEAP server is the HIV component, and good for time series and trend analysis enables user to drill down into the data. And margining transaction and analytical processing. Firstly, operational systems. What's the operational system? The systems that are used to interact with customers and run a business in real time. What's the informational systems? Informational systems is the systems designed to support decision making based on stable point in time or historical data. And data warehouse. What's the data warehouse? Data warehouse is a subject-oriented, integrated, time-variant, non-volatile collection of data used in support of management decision making. And key features: firstly, subject-oriented, and subject-oriented is organized around key subjects. Integrated is data are collected from many operational systems and made to conform to standards. What's the time variant? Time variant is a data contains a time dimension. And what's the non-volatile? Volatile. Data cannot be updated by users. And the 4 basic steps to build. First one is the extract data from various source system files and databases, and transform, integrate, and load the data. The third one is data warehouse is a read-only environment, and last one is user access via query language and analytical tools. And again, we can look about the data warehousing is the 2-level architecture, and data warehouse and decision support environment. And 3-level architecture is the operational systems and data, an enterprise data warehouse and data marts. And enterprise data warehouse is a centralized, integrated data warehouse that is a control point and single source of all data made available to the end users for decision support application through the entire organization. What's data mart? Data mart is a data warehouse that is limited in scope. Is data are obtained by selecting and summarizing data from the enterprise data warehouse. And what's the content management systems? Content management systems is a special type of software application for collecting, organizing, and publishing website content. And electronic commerce application designing a distributed advertisement server for PVF web store. And benefits for including advertising, potential to increases revenue generated from the web store, potential to create cross promotions and alliances with other online commerce systems, potential to provide customers with improved service when looking for additional products that across PVS product line. And advertising on PVF's web store, list of advertisements system concerns. Adverse statement must be served quickly so that the site performance is not affected. Adverse statement must be uniform in size and resolution so as not disrupt the site layout. Adverse statement links must not redirect the user's web browser away from web store. Designing the adverse thing component. Transactional requirements are determine which adverse statements apply based on where the users in the web store. Personalize the adverse assignment if the identity of user and performances are known. Check for any seasonal or promotional advertisements. Log and transactions. And designing the management reporting component. Queries for the top management. How many women when shopping for desks clicked on an adverse statement for lamps, and how many advertisements were served to shoppers looking at filling cabinets, and how many people clicked on the first adverse statement they saw. How many people clicked on the adverse statement and then purchased something from the web store. And what we did learn in the summary in this chapter, we can look about the summary. Define the key terms: client server architecture, local area network LAN, distributed database and middleware. Distinguish between file server and client server environments and construct how each is used in a LAN. Describe alternative designs for distributed systems and their trade-offs. And describe how standards shape the design of internet-based systems. And describe, you can look the last page, and describe optional for ensuring internet design consistency. Describe how statement issues can be influenced customer loyalty and trustworthiness, as well as the system security. And the last one we did learn, discuss issues related to managing online data, including contact development, online transaction processing, online analytic processing, and data warehousing. And thank you for